Do you want to know how to become an investment banker? It is not as difficult as you may think. This video will walk you through the steps necessary to achieve this career goal. We will provide information on education requirements, experience, and required skills. So if you are interested in working in finance and making a lot of money, keep watching. What is an investment banker? An investment banker is a financial professional who provides advice on how to buy and sell securities. Investment bankers may work in mergers and acquisitions, underwriting, private equity, venture capital, and other finance-related matters. They are often involved in structuring and negotiating deals between public companies and investors. Investment banks connect investors looking to raise capital and those looking to invest. These professional consultants can advise on the purchase and sale of shares and invest in the sale of securities for a range of industries. The word investment financial officer generally carries on in entry-level positions as well as in executives. At any level, the professional performs demanding and stressful tasks with long hours and weeks. The roles of this position are aimed at individuals who are analytical and confident in the success of their clients. Types of investment banking. Investment banking is a broad term that can refer to several different activities. Investment bankers may specialize in mergers and acquisitions, capital markets, asset management, private banking, or corporate finance. There are types of investment banking. Mergers and acquisitions. This investment banking involves assisting companies in making mergers, acquisitions, or divestitures. Capital markets. This type of investment banking focuses on helping public and private companies raise capital by issuing securities in the primary market or trading existing securities in the secondary market. Asset management. This type of investment banking focuses on managing clients' investments and providing advice on allocating, caring for, and monitoring their capital. Private banking. This investment banking provides wealth management services to high net worth individuals and families. Corporate finance. This investment banking involves helping companies with financial decisions, such as how to raise capital, structure a transaction, and manage risk. How do I become an investment banker? Investment bankers are a vital career in the banking industry which demands considerable analytical and mathematical skills. Investment bankers require an education in finance and economics and training to analyze financial markets. If you are ready to roll up your sleeves and learn how to become an investment banker, follow these steps. Earn a bachelor's degree. Investment bankers must have at least a bachelor's degree, usually in finance, economics, business administration, or a related field. It is important to choose a college or university that offers courses in finance and economic theory and how to do financial analysis. Take industry courses. Investment banks typically provide additional training for new hires, but taking some classes beforehand can demonstrate your seriousness about the job. Many companies offer such courses for a fee. Get internships. Internships in the industry provide valuable on-the-job experience and help to establish connections with people who can mentor you or give you advice. It is important to get internships while still in college, as they are hard to come by after graduation. Obtain professional certification. Banks often prefer to hire investment bankers with certain qualifications. Obtaining professional certifications such as a chartered financial analyst or chartered investment banking analyst can help you get your foot in the door. Develop your network. Networking with people in the industry is an important part of becoming an investment banker. Start building your network as soon as possible, attending events and making contacts who can give you advice or help you find a job. With dedication and hard work, you can become an investment banker and turn your passion for finance into a successful career. Aspiring investment bankers should be prepared to put in the time and effort necessary to make their dreams a reality. While pursuing your career in the investment industry, you should also expand and grow your assets through investing in other investment types, such as cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are one of the leading technology trends in the financial industry. They have gotten immensely popular over the last couple of years. If you want to invest in cryptocurrencies or any other investment, you should use technical analysis. Technical analysis is a tool that can help you better understand the markets and help you make the best possible investment. If you would like to try out a technical analysis program, there is one that we wholeheartedly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Learn more. Ready to take your trading up a notch? Check out TradingView. This platform provides all the tools and resources you need for success, no matter where you're at. From rookie traders just getting started to veteran investors optimizing their strategies. There's never been an easier or more effective way to reach those goals, so don't delay any longer. Check out TradingView today. To learn more about stock trading, check out our previous video. Qualifications of investment bankers. A bachelor's degree in finance or accounting or mathematics provides the basis for a career in investment banking. The Financial Industry Regulatory Authority also requires investment bankers to pass some exams, including Series 7 and Series 63. Besides having a degree and passing FINRA exams, many banks also prefer candidates who have obtained an MBA or master's degree. Furthermore, investment bankers should be able to show strong problem-solving and analytical skills. Lastly, knowledge of different financial instruments and markets is critical. The best way to get ready for a career in investment banking is to gain experience. Participating in an internship or working part-time at a bank or other financial institution can provide invaluable insight into how the industry works and decisions are made. This experience can be beneficial, both in how to land a job and how to perform once employed. What are the responsibilities of an investment banker? Investment banking career paths are diverse and can involve many tasks. Most positions focus on advising clients on best investing their money, providing financial analysis, developing investment strategies, and managing portfolios. Therefore, working in the field requires excellent analytical and financial skills, as well as an in-depth understanding of how the stock market works. Investment bankers must also possess strong interpersonal abilities to negotiate effectively with clients and partners. Financial modeling skills are also essential, as they enable investment bankers to create detailed projections that help inform their decisions. Finally, strong organizational skills and the ability to manage multiple projects simultaneously will ensure success in an investment banking career. To learn more about other interesting careers in the investment world, check out our previous video. How much do investment bankers make? Entry-level investment bankers can make a base salary of around $78,000 with bonuses and stock options. As you progress in your career, your total compensation package can reach millions. Of course, as with any investment, how much an investment banker makes depends on how well they play their cards. Rates of success can range from hundreds of thousands to tens of millions, depending on how well informed and how skilled they are in the business. So how much do investment bankers make? While the average salary for an investment banker is around $90,000 per year, top bankers have been known to make anywhere from $250,000, $500,000 a year. That's a sizable chunk of change. If you're looking for a way to make serious money, investment banking is the career path for you. Just remember that it requires dedication and hard work in order to succeed. The investment banking field is highly competitive and requires a large skill set to break into. Here are some of the benefits of an investment banker. Benefits: high pay. Investment bankers can earn a great salary, with bonuses that can add up to hundreds of thousands or even millions per year. Networking opportunities. Being part of the inner circle in finance gives you access to industry leaders and contacts that can be invaluable throughout your career. Prestige. Investment banking is one of the most prestigious and competitive careers out there and carries a certain level of prestige with it. Investment banking is a rewarding job, and these benefits will help you secure your future. Speaking of security, no one wants their valuables to be stolen, whether they be physical or digital assets, such as cryptocurrencies. That is why when investing in cryptocurrencies, it is vital to get a hardware wallet. A hardware wallet can help safeguard your funds and keep your mind at ease. Out of the many hardware wallets, there is one that we highly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Learn more. Protect your cryptocurrency with the peace of mind that comes only from Ledger wallets. Their top-notch safety measures turn digital asset insecurity into a thing of the past, so don't gamble on security, go for total protection. Check out Ledger wallets today. To learn more about investments, check out our previous video. Final thoughts: the road to becoming an investment banker isn't easy, but with the right attitude, determination, and hard work, it is within reach. It takes a lot of dedication to learn how the industry works and build up the necessary skills and experience. Of course, networking is also crucial for this line of work, so don't be afraid to get out there and make some connections. Investing in yourself will pay off when you become an investment banker, so keep pushing forward. Who knows how far you'll go? Investment banking is a highly rewarding profession that can provide individuals with the opportunity to make substantial amounts of money. However, it's not for everyone and requires a special skill set and knowledge base. To become an investment banker, one must possess exceptional analytical and communication skills, have knowledge of financial markets and securities, be able to quickly understand and assess business operations, and be a team player. If you possess these skills, you could become an investment banker and join the exclusive group of individuals who can make big money in the world of finance. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Good luck with your investment career. Disclaimer: Moovmynt provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional financial advice.